to Adam's 360 YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce my two cocktails what I raised from small. One is Lavina and one is Tweety. The black one is this is Tweety and this is Lavina. It's very hard for it. It took me a long time to raise them, but I was lucky to bring them up very well. And previous to that, I have previous video I showed you that I brought a male cocktail from very far when we brought it to came. Now I'm going to pair this one, this one, and together. That's a white mask, white face cocktail. So I like you all to be very, see how friendly these birds are. They are a good time pass for everyone to raise them, but you must take little time. But it's see how friendly it is. Just see. Just have a close view of it. Oh, very nice, very nice. So they start talking to, if we teach them to talk, they will talk to. I have another bird, I'll show you that. Just see this bird how it is. See the color of it, see the size of the bird. She is a very good female. See how it takes the food from my hand. She's very clever. She likes to play always. I got a ball too for her to play. So see the two balls here. So I put her down and she's been playing with them. Now she's actually tired out. In the morning I was playing with her. So she's not even interested.
Right.
Up, get up. He's shouting, he wants to pair this up. So I'm going to pair this bird and this bird together. And the next video, I'll show you eggs and youngsters. So see, it's calling.
How he wants to make it.
See how he's calling the female one to mate with him because he was a single bird when I bought him and came. I bought him from very far and came. I showed you in the last video. See the bird how it is. Okay. Continuous watch my channel. I will be introducing you more birds, our cocktails and other small birds. Subscribe to my channel. I'll show you more about birds and what food we can feed them and how to take care of them. So you'll be interested. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day, have a good day, bye.